everyone. My name is Brian Inuma. Our company is Strategic Systems Group. We are a Los Angeles-based IT consulting firm and experts in enterprise resource planning. With me, I have Greg Horn, who will take us through an overview of Dynamics 365 Business Central. Thank you, Greg, for the demonstration. I have a few questions that may be helpful to those listening today. For the first one, I noticed that there was a delay in the Excel access to Dynamics 365 Business Central. Is that delay common?
Yeah, good point. Obviously, in demonstrations, delays aren't good. But what happens or was happening there is that the instance of Business Central that we're using is designed for demonstration. Customers, when they purchase and subscribe to Business Central, will be getting a production instance, and the horsepower in the Microsoft data centers is going to be a lot greater, and the response time will be almost instantaneous, and you wouldn't have seen that lag that you did in the presentation.
The next question relates to publishing. In the Excel spreadsheet that you showed us, you were able to change the credit limits in the system. Is there a way to restrict that?
Yes, there's. I made it look super easy, and the key is the authentication, and the authentication is based upon your role and your security that has been defined in Business Central. So you only have access in that export to Excel to data that you have rights to within Business Central.
Our next question is about customization. You showed some customization of the financial reports. Is there also a way to customize the lists and standard reports?
Yes. Yeah, the report layout designer is a tool we didn't go into in the presentation, but there is a tool to be able to take those standard reports and modify those just as easily as I showed you could do with the financial reports.
The last question relates to Power BI. In our other work with Power BI, we've used a desktop application, Power BI Desktop, then published the reports to the online version of Power BI. In the scenario that you showed us for Dynamics 365 Business Central, is there a need for desktop Power BI?
You have the option. It's user preference. You can use the desktop version to make modifications to the existing Business Central dashboards and reports, or you can use the online version. No, there's no difference between the two. It's just a user preference.
Thank you for joining us today, and congratulations for investing time in your education. We'd like to offer a way to continue our conversation. If any of what we presented resonates with you, please register for a 30-day trial of Dynamics 365 Business Central. The trial will provide you with an opportunity to evaluate the application using the provided sample data or your own data. To sign up, would you please click on the link below. Again, our thanks, and make it a great day.